In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order DoorDash for someone in another state. Whether you want to surprise a loved one with their favorite meal or help a friend who's unable to get out and about, sending food to another location has never been easier. Let me guide you through the process step by step so you can be confident in ordering food delivery remotely. First, you'll want to start by visiting the DoorDash website. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in doordash.com. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you're going to see a wide variety of options for food, groceries, and retail items ready for fast, same-day delivery. It's quite user-friendly and makes browsing and selection quite intuitive. Now that you're on DoorDash, let's set up the delivery address. Since you're sending this order to someone in another state, you'll need to input their address into your DoorDash account. Navigate to the section where you can add a new address. It's important you enter the recipient's address accurately, double-check everything, from the street number to the postal code, to ensure there are no mishaps with delivery. This sets the stage for the rest of your order, so accuracy here is key. Once you've inputted the address, don't forget to save it. Saving this address might come in handy for future orders, especially if you plan to surprise them regularly. After saving, you can easily select this address whenever you're gearing up to send another thoughtful delivery their way. Now let's move on to the fun part, making an order. Begin exploring the huge variety of restaurants and dishes available in the recipient's area. DoorDash allows you to filter based on cuisine, delivery time, dietary needs, and more, making it simpler than ever to find exactly what you and the person you're sending to might crave. When you've selected the perfect meal, simply add it to your cart. Look over the order summary and make sure everything looks good. You'll also have options to add any special instructions like delivery notes for the driver or specific food preparation requests. Before completing the transaction, ensure that you've matched the delivered address with the one you intended, check the payment details, and once everything is spot on, confidently place that order. Sit back knowing you've helped make someone's day a bit better by sharing a meal from afar. This straightforward process shows how DoorDash not only connects us to our local favorites, but also to those we care about, even across state lines. So, next time you're wanting to bridge the distance to someone special, remember this guide and make use of DoorDash's convenient delivery service. Thanks for tuning in, and happy ordering.